Hey everyone, so today we're looking at yet another case study from an Arvow customer. I'll have to blur out the URL for privacy reasons, but what I can tell you is that they joined in around March, April, right? And their traffic just grew and grew and grew and grew until now that they have almost 400 organic keywords ranking and up to 105 monthly organic traffic from content they've built out using Arvow. Okay, which is pretty cool. Now, this is their main domain. I'll just go into their blogs because that's where they're publishing out the content. And again, most of the traffic comes from their blogs. As you see here, the blog traffic is, just refresh this, 105 and almost the end, 400 something keywords or 300 something keywords. So most of the traffic comes from, if you go to top pages, all the blog pages right here, which if I open this up again, I'll have to blur a lot of the stuff right here, but this is exactly what Arvow generates: the key takeaways, the internal links, external links, bullets, tables, quotes, tables, in-article images, in-article videos. Not sure if they added the video right here or not. There we go, videos right here. So again, all this done with AI automatically for them without much effort, to be honest with you. And I mean, the results just speak for themselves, right? All these keywords now ranking, they change. I mean, they keep on improving. This one's ranking first, which is quite nice. Space quotes for kids. By the way, their business is heavily related with these keywords. It is for the ICP, the ideal client profile kids, right? And quotes is part of their business, what they sell. Again, I won't dive too deep into this, but this keyword has a volume of 150, right? They're ranking first for it. And the ranking, I mean, as you can see, this is just very recent. That's why these are all still going up. But yeah, it's great to see, right? Keywords with decent volume, right? And they're going up. And so, again, this is all done using Arvow. All these are generated using Arvow's AI content generator to achieve the results you see right here. Again, pretty straightforward. Nothing much to tell you other than that. If you do a proper... Small interruption. Hello, this is Vasco from the future to show you a cool thing we've developed in Arvow, which is if you go to your dashboard, click on blog automation, click on site optimizers, click create new optimizer, add your site URL, add your language, select how many pages you want the AI to analyze, and hit create. Well, you're going to have this AI agent that automatically goes through all the pages on your site. Right here, I did an analysis to my own domain. It analyzed 50 pages. And what this does is it releases all these little AI agents, AI soldiers onto your sites to analyze a lot of stuff. They analyze your page titles, your meta descriptions, your canonical URLs, your image alt text, your internal links, your schema, right? And it gives you suggestions on what it thinks it's wrong. Here's an example. So for example, for page titles right here, right? Our current page title, for example, for the page, I don't know, let's see here, for the page AI SEO editor. So if I could just copy this, go to arvow.com/SEO editor. This is just a feature page. If you're a local business, well, it'd be like your location page. If you're like an e-commerce store, it'd be like your product page. Because we're a software business, this is like our feature page showing off the feature. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, and for this page, right, the AI tells us, okay, your current title, your current meta title is SEO editor and content optimizer Arvow. It's, I don't know, it's wrong, right? Shouldn't be this, right? And the AI is suggesting, so the suggested title is, hey, we think you should change this to AI-powered SEO editor, optimize content for our rankings. And here's why. So it gives us a suggestion and tells us why. Hey, listen, this title is more concise and directly highlights the AI aspect of the SEO editor. But it's giving us our current title and it's suggesting a new one and it's telling us why. Now, we could have simply just not added the why, but I feel like if you're using AI, it's very important to understand why the AI is doing what it's doing, okay? And if you agree with the suggestion, you can hit apply, and the AI agent will automatically go to your site and change it just like that. Or you can decline it. And based on what you apply or decline, the AI will learn for future recommendations. Now, it does this for page titles, meta descriptions, right? Canonical URLs, internal links. I can assure you, if you try this now, you're gonna have a bunch of images, without alt text. We're an SEO tool and we have a bunch of images without alt text. And the AI reads through the image, and if you hit apply, the AI will automatically add the image alt text to the image. Internal links, super cool. Let's say you have a big site with a bunch of pages, like an old site with a bunch of pages, right? Well, it will be a pain in the butt to go through all the sites and actually create links from one page to the other page, this one to this one, this one. What this AI does is it reads through all the pages on your site and it suggests an internal linking structure. For example, right here, it's suggesting we link this page right here, AI news article generator using this anchor text to this page, and here's why. So the AI agents read through our site, they analyze it, and based on reasoning, it gives you suggestions to what it thinks you should change and giving you the reason behind it. You can hit apply or decline, right? There's schema. Right now we have FAQ and article schema. Soon we'll have a bunch more. But this is a pretty simple and fast way to just add your site, hit generate, and have it analyze a bunch of the pages on your site. And sure, yeah, maybe some of these recommendations won't be like very valuable, but a lot of them will. I suggest you give it a go because, I mean, internal linking, yes, you can do all this manually, and all AI does, AI isn't a magic tool. All AI does is amplify what would you do as a human. So yes, you can build an internal linking structure as a human, but just takes so much work. So just use AI. It's just so much faster. Image, alt text, schema, canonical URLs, just so much this can do. So give it a go. Go to Site Optimizers, hit Create Optimizer, select the language, select how many pages you want to do. You can do 1 million pages and give it a go, try it out. And yeah, back to the video. Your research, right? If you analyze your ICP, your ideal customer profile, you have to know who you're selling for, right? And how does your product or service solve these people's problem, right? You are printing money, because then you just have to produce content that satisfies the search intent of these people, right? And that ties in with how your product or service solves their problem, and just produce content targeting the potential keywords they could be searching for, right? And then just as you do here, you see the traffic go up and up and up. And this is just the very beginning. Again, this are right here, the traffic is already going up, and I expect this to keep on going up and up and up and up, because it's it's a super new niche. Their DR is super low still. They have a lot to grow, and I mean they're growing like crazy. So very good to see. Just a small simple case study on how people are using Arvow to do so. Again, I cannot reveal the domain, but if you want to learn a bit more on how other people do this, and if you want me to reveal the domains, go watch this right here, because this video teaches you and shows you another case study, a hyper relevant case study that took the other site from 0, I think, to almost 4K a month in traffic and around 8.9K in organic traffic value. So it's pretty cool. Click here, check it out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.